Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. PK Dan here, and today we're going to be talking about the WSD bike and motorcycle alarm. Now you can get this on Amazon. It should be around $13 last time I checked, but I'll put it up on screen to let you guys know what it looks like and what it is. So other than this, let's get right into the video. So the first part is it does come with this remote. As you guys can see, you do have a lock button. You keep pressing this for the sensitivities. You got to unlock. You got one if you, like, let's say you forget where your bike is at. And you also have, you can change the ringtone noise. So right now, I think I have it on sensitivity, I want to say 5. So we're going to go ahead and press it. You're going to hear a noise, and you're going to hear a second noise. And that's how you know it's armed. And as you guys can see, you can just go around and it'll give you a warning shot, and then it goes off just like that. So, you know, you can also turn it off too. The only downfall to this, I will say, is it doesn't let you know if the bike goes off. So I guess, you know, sometimes you'll be walking out, and some people said they had it where they got outside and someone was on their bike. At least the alarm will go off and it will maybe scare them away. So I'll show you guys what the actual system itself looks like. Used the wrong key. So this is what the system itself looks like right here. Now when you get it, as you guys can see how it is, when you get it, there's 2 adhesives already that comes with it, and there's 2 areas where you can zip tie stuff. So you can use zip ties instead of using adhesive if you don't want to use adhesive. And you can put that practically anywhere you want. You can put it inside the bike, or you could put it, I put it right here in the back seat. Some people I've seen put it right here where the engine bay is, where the fairing is. Some people put it under their seats. Some people I even seen had it on their handlebars, but I wasn't trying to do too much. So I found a nice spot right here. And if you guys are running with this other stuff, that's the underglow. But I put it right here, and it fits perfectly. Perfect clearance. Put the seat on, and its clearance is really good. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Got some more coming on. I'm going to show my GoPro setup and helmet setup so you guys can see what I have. One of the parts broke, so the GoPro is kind of sitting up a little taller than usual, but we're going to see how it is. But other than this, you guys, this is it for the video. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care, and see you later.